What is up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Jeff Benjamin with iDownloadBlog. We are talking about SmartTap. This is a jailbreak tweak that allows you to use a double tap gesture like this to sleep, wake, unlock, and launch applications, even when your device is off, even when you're at a dark black screen like that. So I can actually unlock my device just by swiping up like that on my black screen on my sleeping device, and it will wake it up just like that. It is called SmartTap, and it works by keeping the digitizer awake, basically, in the background, allowing it to send touches, double tap gestures, swipe up gestures, swipe down gestures to allow you to execute different actions. So you can unlock your device, you can put it to sleep, you can wake it up, you can launch applications, and there is, of course, a preference panel that you'll find for SmartTap right here, and it is here where you can configure all of the tweaks, different settings. Now, at the top, there's a kill switch. There's a section for when the screen is off. So when the screen's off, it'll do these things. When the screen's on, it'll do these things. There's smart touch detection. There's prevent idle sleep, and then there's a speak event section for accessibility. Now let's focus on the double tap of the screen when the screen is off. So here are the 4 actions that can happen. No action, turn on the screen, unlock the device, or launch an application. So when the screen is off, double tap will turn on the screen. The next option here, well, let's skip the swipe up because that's already set to unlock the device. This one doesn't have an assigned gesture though, the swipe down. So how about we set that to launch an application? How about making it launch the App Store? So when I swipe down when my device is off, it will launch the App Store app. So we also have some when screen is on options. So double tap will unlock on the home screen or on the lock screen. That's good. We want both of those on. And then there's smart touch detection. So if it's in your pocket, obviously with the iPad probably doesn't apply as much, but if it's your phone, it'll smartly know whether or not it's a genuine double tap. And then there's prevent idle sleep, which will turn off the digitizer after 2 to 3 minutes if you disable that here. So that'll obviously render this inoperable. Last but not least though, outside of those accessibility settings for speak events, there is a flip switch toggle that you can enable or disable to quickly turn off SmartTap altogether. So that's good if you're really concerned about battery life. Battery shouldn't be a huge deal according to the developer, but obviously there is going to be some impact by having that digitizer always running. So the double tap gesture works as you would expect. Double tap turns it off. Now, swipe down gesture should launch an application. So it unlocks your device and launches, the App Store app, just like we set up in the preferences just a second ago. So ladies and gentlemen, this works just as you would expect. It is SmartTap. I'm pretty impressed with how well it works. I don't know how big of an impact it's going to have on the battery. According to Ilias Limnios, I hope I pronounced your name right, it shouldn't be a huge hit, but yeah, there's obviously going to be some compromise or some cost involved with using SmartTap. If you want to try it, head over to Cydia's Big Boss repo. You can download it for $1.99. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section